This is how you use Canva to make a video presentation. So I have a presentation that I have created with slides, and the way to add video to it is on a slide. You go over on the side, find the Uploads button, and in the Uploads button, you have this option to do Record Yourself. And so when you do the record yourself, it opens up your recording studio and you'll see yourself right there. It'll let you turn the camera off if you don't want the camera and you just want a voiceover. It lets you add things. You can change the shape of the video. You can actually flip and mirror yourself if you want to. You have a couple of other filters and things that you could add to it. But it's pretty easy. All it's going to ask you to do is to press this record button. And so you press the record button, you're going to get a countdown like this. You can start your recording, and when you're finished with your recording, you can either pause if you need to pause it, and then go to a different slide if you wanted to, you could pause it. And then you could press done if it's just you want to do one per page, like one video per page. You would then go to the next slide that you wanted to record on. So that's that. And then when you do it, you just say save and exit. And it's going to then load that video into that slide as it uploads and gets there. So anyway,
You can start your recording.
And then when you export it, you're gonna make sure that you are doing download and that you choose to export it as a video so that you are able to get your thing, and then it will just process the video. So initially it had a whole bunch of my videos, my slides, and then it would let you download it. And then eventually you get a video file. So I have my video file here. It's an MP4, and then you can put it wherever you want it. And that's how you do it.